Thank you for checking out the MoGraph Toolbox. Let's talk about how you can install this. Now, this is an asset browser product, meaning all you need to do is download the product file to your computer, go to Edit Preferences File Paths, and point your system to wherever you've located the file. Here, you can set the default settings if you'd like to link or append. I like append, however, choose what option suits you best. You can now access these tools in one of two places. One, you can access them directly in the asset browser, dragging and dropping them on the objects into your scene, or you can access them within the modifier panel under the MoGraph array here. These are also fully searchable. Now, we've broken down the product into a couple categories, including the MoGraph array system, tools, fields, falloffs, and text. We've provided a tutorial video on each of these sections to help you get accommodated with the toolset. It is intended to be easy to use out of the box, but these videos are a great way to learn more about how they work. Now, we're very excited about the product that we've produced, and we have ideas of how to improve it in the future. If you have feature requests, please shoot us a message over on SuperHive. If you find a bug, please also let us know, and we'll try to work through it with you. Again, thank you for checking out the MoGraph Toolbox, and I hope you enjoy it.